What's up, y'all? This is an update on the 1981 Camaro Build. I finally have my center console in and wired up. I've got a main disconnect in the trunk where the battery is because I did a battery relocation because why not? So here's the center console. Okay, here's the center console. I'm gonna put cup holders in the rear. I've got this whenever I get my carpet and vinyl and everything like that, and it'll look hopefully better. Shifter's more of a flush mount to it. And then I have the secondary switch that turns everything on, and then you have your power, and of course, because this is, a redneck drag car, you've got your trans brake solenoid, which if you know what that is, just go ahead and subscribe just because, And if you know, I don't know where it is, it's down there somewhere, but it's in there, it's looking nice. It'll be even better whenever I finally get it vinyled and covered up. This is just a mount for whatever the hell I want to put in there. I can make it bigger, whatever. I'm gonna have to hide all the wiring underneath the carpet, but I don't feel like taking that up. So that's the center console build. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, like, share, subscribe, comment, YouTube things. Later, y'all.